Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to remove background noise from a video. To remove background noise from a video, follow these steps. Install CapCut for Windows. Download and install CapCut from the official website or Microsoft Store on your PC. Launch CapCut. Open the application and choose Create New to start editing. Then click to choose your canvas size, so I choose empty canvas. Import your video. Click on the import or the plus button and choose the video file you want to edit from your PC. Then hit select. Drag the video to the timeline. Once imported, drag your video from the media library onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Select the video clip. Click on the video clip in the timeline to access editing options. Open Audio Options. In the top right menu, locate and click on the Audio or Sound tab to access audio editing features. Enable Noise Reduction. Find the Noise Reduction toggle and turn it on. This feature will automatically reduce background noise in your video. Adjust noise reduction settings. If available, fine-tune noise reduction settings like intensity for better results, depending on the level of background noise. Play the video to preview. Use the play button to listen to your video and check if the background noise is sufficiently reduced. Add music or voiceover. To further enhance your video, you can overlay background music or a voiceover by importing an audio file and syncing it with your video. Export the edited video. Once you're satisfied with the noise reduction, click the Export button at the top right. Choose Export Settings and save. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file format. Then hit Export again to save the video into your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.